It's the bun for me, honey. Period.
The guy, I hope that this ain't no fairy tale. I wanna lick on your skin, cause that shit be tasting like caramel. Life without you been feeling kinda strange. Well, I see that you're doing very well. You looking very well. I miss the way your perfume smell. I miss the way that you blow up my...
Hello, you guys. It's Krissy and we're back with another video. Okay, y'all. In this video, I'm just gonna be doing how, you know, I would style soft locks. Period. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, then you might as well subscribe, simply because me and my K-babies are lit. And we lit because we really like that. Period. And if you subscribe, you can most definitely be lit too. That's it. That's all. And that's just that. Period. Okay, y'all. So I'm not going to do too much talking. We're just going to get straight to the point. Because I be talking too much. But okay, so I'm just going to be using a scrunchie. Really, with soft locks, you really don't even need a scrunchie. Just because, like, it just really just stays in place. Let me see if I can stand up. Okay, y'all, so these are 36 inches. If y'all want to see how I, you know, installed these soft locks, because yes, I did it myself, then I'm going to put the link in the description box to that video, so it's a must that you go check it out. So let's get straight into this video. Period. because my parts are not like, it's not in the middle, because I normally wear my hair in this side part. Use a scrunchie to put their lock, not me. I mean, if that's your preference, go ahead. I'm gonna show y'all how I put my hair in. It's the bun for me, honey. Period. Period. It's the bun for me. It's the bun for me. Period. Period. Tell them stop playing with me. Tell them to stop playing with y'all. Tell them to stop playing with y'all. Period. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. My subs that I have now is goddamn, let me see, 1,511. This probably gonna be pushing it. By the end of this month, my goal is to have, we manifesting, y'all. We manifesting. The goal for my channel by the end of this month is to have 2,000 subscribers. That's my goal. That's my goal. And it's gonna happen. Period. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, share, and make sure you hit that notification bell so you know when I post lit content. Period. Stay lifted and encouraged always. Love you, K babies.
Blowed up my line just to make sure that I'm feeling well. I miss the way that you look in my eyes, and that's why I'm getting back with you, girl. Keep on talking about my